Yeah.
Maybe I'm ready.
One time.
Maybe I'm ready. I used to think I would never find one who would know how to love me. Boy, this is something.
Hey guys, it's
To
Cynthia
hear
from
boy-
Oldies to Line Dancing, coming to bring you another highly requested instructional. This is Cosign. I realized Cosign been on my list for a long time, and I have yet to teach it to you all. So let's do that. Let's get Cosign off the list. If you still have not gotten Cosign, I noticed that when you guys people posted it from the parties, there's not a lot of people on the dance floor. So let's get some more folks on the dance floor for Cosign. Cosign is actually a dance that was created like 12, 13 years ago. I love that the trail ride dancers are doing a original urban line dance dance. This one was created by Neil and Stacy from the D2BD line dance group. But let's learn it. This is a advanced line dance. Probably why I did not teach it right off the bat from the beginning. This dance has 3 parts, just FYI. And in order to do this dance, you have to be able to travel. We travel in the Tamia dance. Travel. All right. And you also need to be able to cross and kick. Okay. Those 2 moves are advanced moves. And I'll probably try to do I'll do a tutorial video on my YouTube on how to cross and kick and how to travel if those are the 2 areas that you struggle with as a beginner line dance. But let's start with that. This is for those advanced line dancers that you already know how to travel, you already know how to cross and kick. I'm going to teach you this dance, all right? And I'll try to break it down for my beginners as well. All right, my back turned to you as usual. This dance starts by traveling to the right, which means your left foot goes forward first. When you travel, you do front together, back together, front together. All right? So that front together, back together, front together. It's fast motion. And when we speed up stuff faster, we make smaller steps. So you are doing 1, 2, 3, 4. We kick on 4, okay? Front, back, front, kick. All right? Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4. All right? From that kick, you're going to do a crossing kick. Kick, down, cross, and kick, down, cross, and kick. Okay? Put those 2 parts together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Cross and kick, down, cross and kick, down. Then whatever you did to the right, you also got to do going back to the left. So now we're going to travel to the left, doing the same travel and cross and kick. So then we're doing a 1, 2, 3, and 4. I kick out this way. Put it down and do a cross and kick, down, cross and kick. Yes? Let's put those 2 parts together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Down, cross and kick, down, cross and kick. Travel 1, 2, 3, and 4. Down, and kick, down, cross and kick. How you do? All right, hopefully you did well. Next part, adding on, when you do your last cross and kick, I kind of hold it a little bit because you're going to step up on the right. Step up on the right, up on the left. Rock 1, 2, 3, 4. Step back on the right, back on the left. Again, rock 2, 3, 4. All right, very simple right there. Yes? All right, let's try that together. Stepping up on the right and the left, rock it 4 times. Then step back on the right and left and rock it 4 times. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step right and left, rock it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back right, back left, rock it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. How you do? All right, let's put all of that from the beginning. Ready? 5, 6, 7. Let's travel. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, cross, and kick. Down, cross, and kick. Travel. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, once, and kick. Down, cross, and kick. Up, up, and rock. 2, 3, 4. Back, and back. And rock. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes? All right, adding on, we're going to kick right foot, kick left foot, and we shimmy. All right, the ladies shimmy up here. The fellas, y'all shimmy down here. All right? Let's try that. You do it 2 times. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick right, kick left. Shimmy 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, right and left. Shimmy again. 1, 2, 3, 4. How you do? Yes? All right, that's all of part 1. All right, that is all of part 1. Can we do that from the beginning? All right, let's try that from the beginning. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Travel 1, 2, 3, and 4. Down, cross, and kick. Down, cross, and kick. Travel 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, cross, and kick. Down, cross, and hold. Up and up. Rock it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it back. Take it back. Rock it out. 1, 2, 3. Kick your right foot. Right, left, shimmy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick right, kick left, shimmy again. 1, 2, 3, 4. How you do? That's all of part 1. Yes? All right. Let's take it to part 2. Part 2 is simple. We're doing a cha-cha. Cha-cha right, cha-cha left. Then you're going to step on that right foot and turn to the back. Do the same thing. Cha-cha right, cha-cha left. And then step and turn to the front. Yes? Remember, when I'm facing you, this is my right, but that's your right. Okay? You just need to turn around. Prop the phone up, turn around. Let's try that cha-cha. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cha-cha right. Cha-cha left. Step, turn. Step, turn. Cha-cha right. Cha-cha left. Step, turn. Step, turn. You in part 2, stepping out 4 times. 1 on the right. 2 on the left. 3 on the right. 4 on the left. All right, I do a cross and out. You can do an out and together. It's up to you. But I do out, cross over, out, cross over, out, cross over. And that's all of part 2. Yes? All right, hopefully you got that. Let's do all of part 2 together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Cha-cha right, cha-cha left, step, turn, cha-cha right, cha-cha left, step, turn, out 1, out 2, out 3, out 4. Hey, how you do? Part 2 is mastered. All right, let's go to part 3. All right, this is part 3. I like this part. This is my favorite part. All right, we're doing on the right foot, out 2 times on the right. 1, 2. Then on the left, we got 1. And then back on the right, we slide in for 2 counts. So the count is this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I kick on 6. You come in, you're sliding in on 4, 5, 6. Okay? Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How you do? And to finish that out, when you do 6, you do 2 more kicks on 7, 8. Line dancing is in 4s and 8s, 2s, 4s and 8s, right? So to finish that whole part out, we're doing a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 kick, 7, 8. Then do the same thing on your left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? Got it? Let's do that part again. Ready? 5, 6, 7. Right foot is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? All right, adding. This is about the end of the dance, but this is the part that I think most people get mixed up on. When you do your 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you're going to step turn with your right foot. Put that kick down, turn, step with your right foot, and you're going to turn to the back. You got a bunch of step turns. First step turn is a half turn to the back. Then I step and turn quarter turn, which is to the side, and I do another quarter turn that gets me back to the side, which gets me back to your front wall. All right? Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, step, turn, step, half, step, quarter, step, quarter, right? And then we're going to slide. We're going to step in front and slide, which switches our feet to go do the opposite side. Step and slide. Step and slide, right foot. Let's do that whole thing. Ready? 5, 6, 7, step, turn, step, right and half, right and quarter, step and slide. Yes? Then we got to go the other way with the left foot. So you're going to step with your left foot after you do a step in front and slide back on that right. Step with your left foot. Again, do a half turn to the back. Then step with that left foot again and do a quarter turn to the side. And instead of doing another quarter turn to the front, we are actually, that's the speaker, we're actually going to end the dance with rocking 4 times. We rock 1, 2, 3, 4. End of the dance. Somebody say whole dance. It starts all over again with your travel. All right? So let's try that again. Let's try those turns, starting with your right foot. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Step to the back. Step, quarter turn. Step, quarter turn. Step, front and slide. Left, step, half. Left, quarter, rock, 2, 3, 4. How you do? Somebody said that's the whole dance. That's the whole dance. Whole dance. Let's try all of part 3 together and then we'll do it with some music. Yes? Let's do all of part 3. Remember, part 3 starts with the 2 kicks on the side. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And step, turns, half, quarter, quarter, and step and slide. Step, half, step, quarter, rock, 2, 3, 4, then start. All over, kick, cross and kick. Yes? How you do? All right, let's try to some music. This is Cosign. Hopefully you got it. If not, rewind.